Hey, welcome to Measure and Mix. I'm here today to show you how I turned my mom's fireplace from this into this. So stick around.
To start out, I painted the tile all white with Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white. I used a roller, of course a paint tray to hold the paint, and then a brush to do the edges. As you can see here, I started out doing the edges and worked my way around all the way around the tile, and then I just rolled the rest of the white paint. I ended up doing 3 coats of white just to make sure that I had everything covered really well. Okay, it's time for the fun part, to stencil. So for my stencil, I used a clear scraps brand stencil. It was 12 by 12, which fit my tiles perfectly. And then for the paint, I used Rust-Oleum's chalked paint in aged gray this time. And then I have my paper towels for my off-rolling, and then my small roller. And then I just got started rolling on the paint onto the stencil. And it was really easy to line up. The stencil was the exact same size as the tile, so it worked out perfectly. Okay, so with this tile, I made a mistake, and it was not a full tile, so I had to bend the stencil to make it fit, and I did not secure it to the wall very well. So it kept falling down on me and moving, and when I took it off, it just did not look good. So I wanted to show you how I fixed that mistake, and all I did was I took my white paint that I had used before, and I just painted over top of it until you couldn't see the stencil anymore. Waited about 10 minutes and did the other stencils, and then came back to it and re-stenciled it, and it looked great. Okay, this is the other side of the fireplace, which is exactly like this side that I messed up on. So I learned from my mistake, and I just made sure that the stencil was taped down really well so that it wouldn't move this time. And I just rolled my paint on, and it worked out great. Okay, here's the tile that I messed up on before and painted white over top of it to fix it. And now I'm just making sure that the stencil is secure onto the wall and re-rolling it. And when I took the stencil off, it worked out perfect. So second time was the charm. Is to roll the protective finish on, and for this I used the Rust-Oleum chalked matte clear protective finish, and I just rolled it on in a thin layer. I waited about an hour after I finished stenciling to apply the protective coat, and then after that it was all done.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!